Hello My Monarchs! In this week's video I have a beautiful simple set perfect for this time of year. I'm using the Beetles Gel X nail kit I got from Amazon. I'll be leaving the link down below. I have my nail tips pre-measured and ready to file down my nails. Perfect. Dust off any residue left from filing down. With my electric nail filer, I'm filing down the tips. In my opinion, it helps them stay longer onto my nails. The kit came with nail glue, apply a good amount and press down firmly onto your nails and cure. Going to continue doing the same method with the rest of my nails. These are how they look like before anything. Going to use my nail tip cutter to cut down to my desired length. Surprise! I did an almond shaped look. Thought I tried something different. I'm using the Sally Hansen nail polish in the color 762. Remember to always dust off any residue left onto nails so it doesn't mess up the nail polish. I'm applying onto all my nails except for my ring finger. For my ring finger, I'm using this other Sally Hansen nail polish in the nail color 189/660. After curing, I'm going to be using the matte top coat from Sally Hansen in the color 102. And of course, curing that after. using my cuticle oil to seal the look. These are how they turned out. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this set. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like always, see you guys next week. Bye!